Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're showcasing what could be the best light fixture sale you'll find this season, the Pevfah Crystal Black Ceiling Light. This modern semi-flush mount ceiling light is designed to elevate any room with a touch of elegance and sophistication. And it's perfect for a variety of spaces including kitchens, entryways, bedrooms, laundry rooms, and hallways. The Pevfah Crystal Ceiling Light measures 9 inches in diameter, making it a compact yet striking fixture. Its round design features K9 crystals that are not only bright and shiny but also refract light beautifully when the fixture is turned on. This creates a dazzling display, scattering elegant light patterns across your ceiling and walls, instantly transforming the ambiance of any room. One of the standout features is its compatibility with standard E26 bulbs, meaning you can easily choose between LED, CFL, halogen, or incandescent bulbs, all up to 60 watts. The fixture is dimmable when paired with a compatible dimmer switch, giving you full control over the lighting mood, whether you want a bright, energetic space or a soft, cozy glow. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The process requires about 4 simple steps and takes roughly 20 minutes, so you won't have to spend hours or hire a professional. The package includes all necessary mounting hardware and a clear instruction manual to guide you through the setup. In terms of construction, Pevfah has crafted this light with sturdy metal and quality crystals, ensuring durability and long-term use. The black lacquered finish complements the crystal shade beautifully, giving the fixture a sleek and modern aesthetic that suits contemporary interior designs. This light fixture is designed specifically for indoor use, and its semi-flush mount style means it sits close to the ceiling, making it ideal for rooms with standard or lower ceilings. The fixture's canopy is compact, measuring just 4.7 inches wide, but keep in mind it is not suitable for sloped ceilings. With a wattage of 60 watts and brightness of around 800 lumens, this ceiling light provides ample illumination for small to medium-sized spaces. Whether you're lighting a hallway or a bedroom, it offers a functional yet decorative solution. Overall, the Pevfah Crystal Black Ceiling Light combines modern style with practical features like dimmability and easy installation. Its stunning crystal design adds a luxe feel without overwhelming the space, making it a versatile choice for many rooms in your home. If you're looking for a stylish, durable, and efficient lighting fixture that's easy to install and elevates your space. With beautiful crystal reflections, this Pevfah ceiling light is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.